Bonjour tout le monde. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video, I'm going to show you guys how I did this hairstyle. Aujourd'hui, je vais vous montrer comment j'ai fait cette style ici avec mes cheveux. Yeah, so on commence. Avant que je commence, je vais vous dire que my hair, before we start, I'm going to say that my hair is not hard, okay? I'm a little bit tender-headed when I don't curl out my curls. Quand je peine pas mes curls, je laisse ça seulement sécher comme ça me fait la tête mal, mais nazana souk makasite, hein? Soukindet mindele, okay? So now I got my afro going, my Angela Davis afro, you feel me? I'm gonna go in with my afro growth oil. If you guys know, I advertise this almost in every video because it does work and it helps my hair. Si tu sais pas, j'utilise ça avec tous mes vidéos. J'utilise ça avant que je fais tous mes styles. Ça travaille, ça fait grandir mes cheveux. So now I'm going to go in with my African Best Super Growth. I've been using this since I was like in 8th grade. Too much of it is going to make your hair too greasy. Beaucoup de ça, c'est pas bien. Ça va te faire les cheveux mafouta. Tu veux seulement utiliser seulement un peu. Now, I'm going to show you guys the style that I was going for before. I was going for this style and I was like, this is just too much. And plus, it was looking messy. Je tente de faire cette style-ci, mais j'ai changé. Now, with me, I'm very creative. I didn't have a hair tie, so I decided to go ratchet, and I made one. Woohoo! J'avais pas les chignons, c'est pour ça que j'ai fait les chignons de moi-même. Now, I'm going to go in with my Got To Be gel. This is the small pack. I normally have the big one, but I was just too cheap, so I decided to buy the small one. And I'm just gonna part my zigzag. Now the zigzag, j'avais un problème. I'm very like perfect when it comes to my stuff, but this time around I was like, hey, mon j'ai essayé de faire mon ligne là un peu de zigzag, hein? Mais ça travaille pas. J'ai laissé ça parce que je veux que vous voyez que c'est un peu difficile aussi. Moi aussi, j'ai la difficulté de faire mes cheveux. So, yeah. I left the struggling part because I wanted you guys to also see that we also struggle. Just because we know how to do certain style, it doesn't mean, we get it right the first time. So I left the struggle so you guys can see. If you do a hairstyle that I do, just know it's not going to be A1 the first time. Like, it took me about 5 tries, and this video was about 2 hours long. Just the 5th one, I was like, you know what, we gonna get this right, okay? The line is not gonna be perfect, but it's gonna get perfect, okay? J'ai fait ça 10 fois, hein? 2 heures de faire cette vidéo parce que je prenais mon ligne là, c'était pas bien. On a fait. Now I'm gonna go in with my Got To Be gel, and I'm just gonna put it on my head. And that's the first thing I use before I put on any type of gel. J'utilise d'abord cette spray là. J'utilise ça d'abord avant que j'ai fait un autre step. J'utilise mon Got To Be gel spray. Now I'm gonna put that Got To Be gel with water because the first step when I was doing the zigzag, I started to do the laid back, but then it got too stiff, so I had to add water. So yeah. So we did a lot of adding water and a lot of spray just to get this hairstyle going. Especially if you have short hair, it gets difficult because you don't want your hair to stick up. Like, there's some parts of the hair growth that is not straight, but it's growing. Si tu as tes cheveux comme celui de moi, ceux qui me poussent, et ça c'est un peu difficulté. Ça donne un peu de problème. Hein? Tu vas avoir les difficultés. Pas problème, c'est pour ça. Moi, quand je fais mes cheveux, il faut que je prends ça avec les parties. Hein? Je vais prendre cette partie ici. Après ça, j'utilise mes gels. Je fais dormir les cheveux. Après ça, je fais la même chose. So with me, when I do my layback, especially with short hair, I like to separate my parts. So like, I do one section and I lay that section down, and I do the other section, I lay that section down. So it's like, it helps you to have that slick, neat look. So that's what I was doing. I'm just going to do the same step over and over and over again, over and over and over again. And I'm going to come back and talk to you guys later. Okay, now we're back on the now I'm gonna try to put that Got2b gel on my hair, and I'm gonna use that to braid down my hair just to keep the flyaways going. J'ai mis un peu de gel dans mes cheveux pour que comment on dit ça, na sali ma beaucoup, hein. J'ai aussi I added a couple of that braid because my hair is not long, so I decided to add that extra because I need that extra. Okay, I laid my hair down before doing that, so that's why I decided to just braid it instead of undoing the whole entire ponytail. J'ai seulement fait ça m'a beaucoup parce que fallait que attends, je fais ça d'abord avant que je mets mes cheveux au chinois, mais j'ai dit tout ça boy. J'ai mis ça, j'ai fait ma beaucoup. Maintenant, je vais utiliser les mèches. Now I'm going to use my Kanekalon braiding hair, and I'm just going to braid my hair. This was like 94-inch. Actually, my mom was using this for a cornrow, and she had leftovers, so I used it for my hair. So now I'm going to use that, and I'm just going to use a comb. Reason why I use a comb is because it helps my hair to slick back a lot better instead of a brush, because if I use a brush, my hair curls back up. So, yeah. Je vais faire ça avec mes cheveux. Je vais prendre ça dans un goumbango. Après ça, j'ai utilisé le truc que j'avais coupé. J'ai fait ça. Okay, the hair tie that I cut. That ratchet hair tie, I remember that? Yeah, it came in handy, didn't it? So I'm going to use that. And everything is basically self-explanatory. Si tu regardes les vidéos, tu vas voir tout ce que j'ai fait. Mais pour les cheveux parce que mes cheveux c'est un peu musuki ça me cousse, t'en faites pas parce que tu vas utiliser des mèches pour que tu gardes ça. So I use my braids just to hide the layout, whatever you call it, the stand up, the haters. So yeah, and now I'm just gonna braid my hair. And what I did was I wanted the hair to be long, so I added extra Kanekalon braids at the end. This is difficult. If you know how to do hair, this will not be difficult. If you are a self hairdresser, this will be difficult. But if you are a pro self hairdresser, this is not gonna be difficult because you've been doing it for you a pro at it. But for beginners, this will be difficult, but just keep doing it. Like, it's not perfect. That's why I leave my struggles, because it's not perfect, but the more you do your hair, the better you'll get at it. Si c'est ton première fois de faire basuki, ça va être un peu difficile, mais si tu continues comme ça à suki, tu vas apprendre toi-même. Continue seulement de pratiquer. J'ai fait ça bien. But yeah, ça c'est comment le style s'est venu. This is how it turned out. It looks nice. If you guys like this video, please make sure you like, subscribe. Si tu aimes cette vidéo, faut pas oublier d'aimer aussi, subscribe. And I'll see you guys on my next video. Hopefully that made sense. If not, let me know if I didn't. I tried, Yeah, help a sister out and subscribe. Have a blessed day, guys. Que Dieu te bénisse.